All right, English 12, this is it, folks. So for May the 14th, Thursday, just in a short paragraph or even an email if you want to, tell me your plans for the future. Okay. Also, another note here is any late work will be accepted until the following Friday. Okay, because my grades are due, I think, on the 26th. So if you're missing anything, let me know. Look at Skyward and see which ones I'm counting and which ones I'm not. So if you do want to make up some work, do the ones, if the zero's still in there, then I'm counting that one. So I'm going to leave that up to you. Okay. So I just want to thank you guys so much. You know, it was a great year. I had a lot of fun. You guys are great students. And I wish you all the best of luck in all of our futures. Okay. If you ever need anything, you know my email. Okay. See you guys.